Immobiliser fit, and this is a Maserati Levante protected with a Halo Mini. So if a thief got this key and went to steal the vehicle, it's just not going to start up. As you see, our foot's on the brake, the vehicle's gone to run, but obviously the engine's not starting and they're going to be unable to drive it away. If it's the customer, they can just simply start the car, pop their code in. For now we have up, up, down, down, receive a flash, the vehicle starts instantly and they can drive away. No need to waste any time. This activates as soon as you turn the car off. So if a thief dragged you out when you got home, the car's not going anywhere without that code. It's active straight away. So they've got the key, they've pulled you out, gone to start your car. It's not going anywhere. The customer can choose their own code on this system. The way they do that, we'll just turn the vehicle off, start from the start. So we'll turn it off. We don't need to start the car, so we'll keep our foot off the brake the whole time. We'll double tap the start button, pop our code in to confirm it's us. We get our flash. Now we'll put our foot to the floor 10 times on the accelerator. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Receive 2 flashes. Now we can set a new code. So we'll just set up, down, up, down. We'll turn the car off. We get 1 flash which confirms our new code. So if we try to start it, the car doesn't start without the code. So up, down, down. We get our flash. Vehicle fires up straight away. If they're taking this car for a service, when they get to the car, no need to start, so we'll double tap, we'll pop our code in, up, down, down. We'll keep this button held, which is the last button on our code. So we'll put the code in, hold the last button for about 10 seconds, and we'll wait till we get 5 flashes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is now going to be a normal car, so when we turn it off, the system doesn't become active, it's going to start. So Maserati will be able to drive the car, service it, move it around their workshop, road test it if needed. You're not going to have any issues with the code. This doesn't expire, so they can be there for 6 months, for example. If they're trying to find an error, you're not going to have any problems. Just a normal car, starts on the button without a code. When you get the vehicle home, remember to turn the system back on. So just as before, we'll double tap around to run, pop our code in, up, down, and we'll hold on the last press until we get 1 flash. Keep it held. We've got our 1 flash. Now we'll know the system's active, because as soon as we turn it off, we get the 2 flash arm in and the vehicle's no longer going to start without the code. The security system's back on, service mode has been disabled. So once again, with the Halo Mini, we just turn the car off. Customer can get in, start the car up, do their code. As soon as their code's finished, vehicle's going to fire into life. We're Immobiliser Fit. Our number's 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.